Welcome to Iowa Horticulture Week, a celebration of everything Iowa grown, from cut flowers to greenhouses and nurseries. And what's more ironic than celebrating Christmas in June?
Christmas may be 190 days away, but the magic happens year-round. Our State Secretary of Agriculture, Mike Naig, visited Howell Tree Farm in Cumming to see how these festive evergreens are grown. Spoiler alert, it's not as magical as you think.
Turns out, the perfect Christmas tree shape doesn't just happen overnight. It requires precision trimming in the scorching summer heat. As Naig pointed out, the shape of a Christmas tree doesn't just magically happen. It's got to be trimmed. Oh, the irony!
So there you have it, folks. From summer tree trimming to winter holiday cheer, Iowa Horticulture Week celebrates the hard work and dedication of our local growers. And remember, it's never too early to start thinking about Christmas, even if it is 90 degrees outside.